Alright, so guy, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to calculate gratuity in Dubai stroke UAE. So wabanga in sim, no problem, no worries. So what I say, just go to your browser. In case I have a PC, so I'm going to use my PC. So all you're gonna use gratuity. Gratuity is just cover casino company no kuwa in case or resigning over or terminated. But kubanga mazina yo emyezi 12, that's 1 year. According to the federal law. That's understood whether you are in private sector or kadama. You're entitled. So just in your browser, just type gratuity, calculate gratuity. So those you have Dubai go game money. I'm already in Dubai, so that's why editor option is that was at Dubai in UAE. So you click on any of them. So that case studies to gonna have an calculators are face gonna have an so all when your government, your Dubai Development Authority, then your gratuity calculator. So katandike ya government. Then after later we will compare the results over they are the same. So when you end up website your government, then I scroll down. Yes, you have to input your employment details to calculate the gratuity. So probably in case let me say my first working day was let me say Jan 2024. Okay, Jan. Then the date. Let me say it's Monday. Then last day it should be okay. Let's say 1st Jan 2026. Then can take a basic salary or 2,000. Remember, basic salary and full salary we have kana. You have to know about that. So then I click calculate. Those all over gratuity going part. So wembanga ngode myaka ebiri nezero month, I expect to get now na basic 12. That's 0 million Uganda. So nsobola okufuna million na ntwalo kinana nga nvudde mu company for those 2 years. So kati let's go to our other websites. Results together. So this one, if I scroll down, so this one is a little bit detailed. Like at basic salary, that's 2M. Uganda is 1 dirham. Okay. Then actually, if you're not aware about it, then company is saying gratuity. If you're not aware about it, because the company was saying we call yes, we cancellation not together. If you are aware, then you can so separation method, termination, then first working day, again in Jan 2024 together. Then last working day is Jan 1st 2026. So separation method to it's contracting. After 2 years, basically it's a limited contract. Limited contract just what together. Then they renew. So this was a zero billion to associate. But when you choose unlimited contract, I want to see what happens. Unlimited contract but termination. Right. So let me change to also to resignation but limited contract. You still get the same results. Whether resigning over or terminated, you still get the same result as long as you are contract here about the limited contract. Let's say unlimited contract. If you have a visanja over Kalamba, then no resigning. What will happen? Gratuity moko. So gratuity have affected unlimited contract. But if you have limited contract, then it will stay constant, whether you have resigned or terminated.